Hey everyone, my name is Seth. You are watching Grey on Tech TV, and if you have not done yet so do hit that subscribe button and like the video because this is my only fuel of motivation and I continue to upload videos regarding Appian technology on a regular basis. Today we'll be continuing on UI UX development series. Last time we have seen the implementation of collapsible navigation and how it works. So here you can see that we are having an implementation of you know like the navigation section, which is having a you know navigation that is clickable and collapsible on the basis of the user interaction. Today we'll be doing something related to navigation, and we'll be understanding what are the different variants of navigation. So let's see what is navigation lightweight. Let's click and go to expression mode, clear this code, back again to the patterns and drop the navigation lightweight. So we have seen the basic navigation collapsible. So let's see the navigation lightweight. So here you can see the implementation is quite same. I think the design difference is the only difference that makes it different from basic navigation. Let's see if there is any kind of change in code. If there would be, then we can compare it with our previous implementation of navigation. So in the previous navigation, that is a basic, the normal navigation, we are having an active nav section and a list of map, which is having icon as well as name. For every iteration, the loop will do to populate the navigation headings. Whereas in this one, I can see that there is no list of map. There is just like a list of text string. Even in the local variable, you see it is nothing but list of text string. Just flat headings where you want to go. Next, we are having local bank active lightweight nav section as one. That means this is the initial lightweight lightweight nav section. Then we are having the thing to notice is because it is not collapsible, so the width is fixed, and the width is fixed. That is why we are not having any kind of component to make it collapse kind of thing. Check the card layout. The first card layout is the card layout, which is used to populate the headings using loop. The second card layout you'll see here is just to maintain the height of the screen. This is the second card layout, whose height is tall, and it is just a dummy card layout so that the whole screen width and height can be maintained in a proportionate ratio. You see the first card layout, we are having a local variable iteration using abank for each. Inside the abank for each, you can see that local bank lightweight nav sections. That is nothing but this local bank, which is having a list of text string that is headings for the navigation. We are populating it with card layout. Here you can see. You see this entirely. You collapse this. You see this. So there is a styling applied on card layout. This is a proper hex code which is kept on card layout, right? So if I make it F F F F F F, so you can see how the each iteration is affecting the card layout color. Now, if I turn this back again to the previous style, the good thing to notice is the style property applied at line number 2 is having the same color as style property at line number 54. With this, we got to know that this card layout as well as this column layout, if you see 1 second, we are having one card layout. You collapse this, we are having one card layout, and on line number 72, so the whole card layout you see here is actually having the same color, F7, F7, and F7. right? And the property that you see here is wrapped in F7, F7, F7. Inside this also, for every iteration, we are having a card layout for which we are having the contents as well as the style. So with this, we understood if I even search it here, so first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. So technically the outer card layout, which is holding the whole container, the below card layout, and each iteration from which the heading is being populated is having the same color. That is why it is giving us a good aesthetic look. The next thing to notice is to collapse this column layout, you can see that there is another column layout which is waiting for the you know logic to be implemented for populating the right interface. So what we'll do, we will copy the choose function as discussed earlier in the previous lecture. So we'll replicate the previous navigation. There will be some errors due to change of variable, but let's see. So instead of active section, we'll be using active lightweight nav section, right? And instead of this, what we'll be having? Local bang lightweight sections. And what we'll do, we'll just copy this one time and two time, and we'll paste it here, first and second, as expected. Okay, card layout contents. So we don't need this section label technically. Now, even this choose function does not needs to be wrapped inside a local variable because we need not to do so. So here you can see we are back again with the navigation. In the first page, as you can see, we are having the call of the vertical milestone. I'm trying to use the same code for choose function so that it is relatable and understandable with respect to each and every example, and you will also understand how to adopt a pattern and how the things are working. Next, we are having tasks. So the second page is being popped up. Then we are having requests, happy learning, and the other pages as so on. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And this is all about navigation. What's the name of this navigation? We are having navigation lightweight. So yeah, that's all about navigation lightweight. If you really like my video and my explanation, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.